it's Kevin with K-Squared Fitness. Today I'm going to be breaking down the Straddle L Sit. Alright guys, so key points of performance as we're getting into another variation. One of my foundational movements is the L Sit. I want you to be able to be strong here. Once you've mastered the L, time to add in a different component, and that is the straddle. So full L Sit, remember that the lower the bars, the more challenging. Whether you're stacking up dumbbells or if you have boxes set up, the lower the more challenging, the higher you set up, the easier. So remember, L Sit is whenever you get your toes in line with your hips. Straddle is going to be where you are opening and closing. Arms are locked out. Not letting your toes drop below your hips. Make sure your toes are pointed, staying flexed in your quads. Another great variation for the L Sit. Knock it out.